A lot of you are wondering if you're going to get snow this weekend or next. Well, this is arguably your best forecasting model for snow. This right here is what we call our NBM, or National Blend of Models. What this ensemble of globals does is take the best forecast from each of the models and blends it all together into an average, leaving you with what a lot of people would say is your best forecast. Now, typically the Euro in this region does do the best with snow forecasting. Although what's odd this time around is it's not agreeing yet with the Icon and GFS. And when we take a look at our National Blend of Models, it does want to bring that snow line slightly up to the north. The newest Euro really right now doesn't want to put any snow down to New York City and Long Island, although our National Blend still gives you a pretty good chance to see some accumulating snowfall. The National Blend has also put a bullseye through central Illinois, central Indiana, and central Ohio, and keeps some of the heaviest snow into northern Kansas and northern Missouri. This National Blend really does like DC, Baltimore to Philly as well, with potentially receiving 5 inches or more. You can also notice what it does down here. With some of our global models like the GFS, it does want to be pretty bullish with snow through the south, although the Euro really wants to keep that snow just into Texas. And again, the NBM takes that into account, putting the biggest target in Texas, but not discounting the possibility of snow to move through the south next weekend. Our conditions are right for a possible southern snowstorm like we've been talking about. Here's our Euro's temperature anomalies through the first 2 weeks of January. And well, this is very below average. And when you have very below average temperatures in the coldest month of the year, specifically one of the coldest weeks of the year, that is a recipe for potential southern snow and also for some temperature records to potentially be broken. This is also why we're seeing the first of potentially a few winter storms out east this weekend. And remember, this is not just a snow event. If you are anywhere in any of this pink or purple, this is some severe ice. Not everyone's going to see crippling ice, but some people in this area could see major impacts. If you do use fuel for heating, it's best to have some extra fuel, some extra batteries, bottled water, some extra food, and an emergency kit like I've been saying. It's just best to be prepared here. We also now with this storm do have an extended marginal risk for severe weather across parts of the south, and a slight risk in the middle of that through portions of Louisiana, western Mississippi, southeastern Arkansas, and eastern Texas. Again, be weather alert down here this weekend. I do expect this severe weather to shift off into the east as the storm moves off into the east. We are getting some great new looks at this storm as the latest models come in, so I will be streaming tonight and going over all of this, reviewing all of our latest weather updates, models, and trends. I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you like this type of content, feel free to throw me a follow. I make posts like this every single day, and I stream every single night. I'll see you in the next video.